Okay, hi, my name's Alex Chandler, and I'm doing the handshake assignment for week 2. So what I've been told is to go through these steps and just basically check mark all the things that I've done on the profile. So I believe we start right up here, professional profile picture, just right up there. No, nothing in the background or anything. Um, so profile, education, work experience, and external activities, professional skills. That should be found kind of here and here. I'm currently working as an assembler at Leopold and Stevens, so it was kind of difficult for me to really put anything that I'm like job hunting for. But then I did put as sort of like an end goal is to, because as an end goal I do want to be a pilot or cargo pilot. So I just put this right here, and then as industries I put government and federal, and that was also because I was half considering going to Air Force as well, but I didn't see military, so I just kind of put that instead. Um, and then here's the other small informations that are hidden, if you know. And then down here I have the skills. It was hard for me to narrow down exactly all the skills, but I did manage to add a few. And then documents on here, I do have my resume here, and yeah, right there. And that's just where you can find the resume. Um, Up here is where is it? So locations I would like to work, fields that interest me, skills I went through, organizations and groups I've been in, are over here. I've been in Boy Scouts, that was for about 4 years, and some of the courses I took were linear algebra, and the work and volunteer, obviously, and then the education I'm still going through, and let's see, I haven't really volunteered. Well, actually I have, but it's also in my resume. I'll probably add after I do this video. And then the interesting job functions I interested, I did that, and then my profile public, I think it's public, and but yeah, basically these were just kind of hidden, but other than that I believe it's public, and I feel like that should be it. So yeah, thank you.